My name is Rick. This is my wife, Elizabeth. We have 4 daughters, and we are the Mouerys of Mouery's Flooring.
At Mouery's Flooring, we focus on simplicity, style, and expertise. And what that means to us is having the best options in the best environment, the best quality, and keeping it short and sweet.
So we are a full service store, which means you walk in the door, you're looking for floors, we'll help you pick it out. You buy it from us, we'll install it, we'll deliver it, whatever it takes to get those floors into your home.
In 2006, we started Mouery's Flooring together, and it's been a gradual process since then. And a huge part of our success, our store's success, who we are today, is our staff and the people that have come alongside of us.
We love our team environment, and we just try to cultivate that kind of family atmosphere.
Life happens on the floor, and we at Mouery's Flooring feel like we bring good options for that, whether it's a soft carpet, a kid-friendly carpet, a hardwood with the finish. And that's another thing about expertise. I feel like Rick does a really good job of, he believes in his products that we bring in, he goes out and finds them, and then he in turn shares that with our team.
We understand that flooring is a huge investment. In most cases, the house is designed around the flooring. So bring your photos, bring your ideas, bring your inspirations, and we'll help those visions come to life.